This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I am the Old Guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are. Well, happy Tuesday to you. We made it to another Tuesday morning, and it's kind of nice out. And today, I just wanted to show you a couple of things. First thing is, I did a video a little while back about making some planters, actually just covers for planters, because I'm growing my vegetables in buckets. So I thought I'd show you what that looks like, and look at that. Those are green beans, or at least they will be green beans in a little while. I recently switched from regular dog treats for my dog Baxter to frozen green beans, and he loves them. They're much better for him, and they're really cheap. I mean, I get a whole month's worth for about $1. Now they're going to be even cheaper because, hey, I can grow them for nothing. And the other one, the other plant, I didn't need the planter cover because this plant is going to stay in the backyard where nobody can see it, and those will be tomatoes. Isn't that a beautiful tomato plant? Perfect, huh? Grow stuff in buckets. Who ever thought you could do that? Well, somebody did, because here we are. A wise man once said to me, if you get a thought and you can plan for something and it'll only take a few minutes to do it, just do it now. Don't put it off. Just go ahead and do it. And I thought that was a pretty good idea. And I had a need for something. And so I went out into the shed and grabbed a couple of pieces of scrap wood, and I built a hanger for my garden hose. So let's take a look at what that looks like. And of course, if you make this, you can pretty it up a little bit, sand it down, paint it, do whatever you want to it. I don't care. For me, I like the natural wood. Looks rustic, right? That's what I'm all about. I'm all about rustic. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please share, like, subscribe to the channel, all that good YouTube stuff. And I'll see you back here next time. For the OG Network, the Old Guy Network, I am the OG, and I'm out.